Fall semester at the University of Maryland is coming to a close, and the road to becoming a lawyer continues. For becoming a government major, two benchmarks are required. I am in the process of finishing my second one, which is Government 100. Government 100 is a conceptual based statistics course that relates and uses concepts used in politics. When learning that this course was politics based, I began to worry because I had taken a similar course in high school where I struggled to pass and ultimately failed. Since I failed, my dreams of pursuing my destiny of going to a school with a top 10 pre law program began to disappear. When failing, I became distraught because I could not experience the joy of passing the class. I felt defeated and overwhelmed. Then I began thinking, will I learn from my mistakes? I really hope I did. But the encouragement from my friends and family and the motivation to study to prevent of making the same mistakes, I began my journey through the course. At the beginning, I was doing fairly well, receiving good scores on my homeworks and quizzes. But midway up to now, I find myself struggling and not doing so well, ultimately not having a good grade in the class. I needed to pass the final exam. I sensed stress and nervousness. I began to contemplate whether I would pass the class or not. I could only pass if I passed the final. The big questions then came to mind. By taking risks, will I be able to achieve my destiny of becoming a lawyer? And how will I overcome these obstacles? In order to stay focused, I must stop doing things that distract me from my path to destiny, just as Psyche did by opening the box. With the help from my daughters in the village, I can overcome the struggle and obstacles. But what do I do next? I must remember to not be selfish, like the brothers from the Golden Water. I must not be afraid to take risk, just like the fly from Kanu, because without risk, your destiny will never be reached.